I'm Randy Reed, editor of the Edison Report, and I'm here with Max Hoover of Goodmart. And Max is the one who's responsible for putting this whole mission control together. So Max, why don't you explain a little bit about what you've got here?
Sure, Randy, thank you. So we put together a whole bunch of dimmers here. We've got dimmers from different manufacturers, and we've paired these dimmers with various LED load types. So we have low voltage 12 volt and 24 volt LEDs. We also have line voltage LEDs. We have LEDs that are dimmable with 0 to 10 volts control. And we're able to test what works and what doesn't work. And we're able to show lighting designers and specifiers in the lighting community here how to avoid pitfalls with lighting controls and LEDs. This is an incandescent light bulb replacement. It's an LED that screws into a regular socket, and it's dimmed down right now. But as I dim it up, you'll see that the color temperature actually shifts. So it goes from 2200 Kelvin on the low end, which really mimics the look of an incandescent as it's dimming, all the way up to 2700 Kelvin, which also mimics the incandescent when it's up at full bright. So we can see what dimmers will make that work in the most smooth and consistent fashion, and which ones don't. So these are 2x2 fixtures. They're all LED, and these are all 0 to 10 volt dimmable. So we compare these fixtures with the 0 to 10 volt dimmer. I've selected my dimmer that I want to use, and I've selected the 0 to 10 volt output here and plugged in the purple, normally purple and gray control wires in the 0 to 10 volt. I've plugged them in here. So now we're ready to dim our fixtures, which are down at the low dim setting, and now I can start to ramp them up here. So 0 to 10 volt dimming obviously is something that's very flexible if you want to pair it with daylighting sensors, photocells, so that the fixtures can be made to dim automatically as sunlight enters a room. Great for classrooms and perimeter offices and office build-outs. So you could pair that sensor on the control wires, and you're good to go.
So if you're a lighting designer, you've got no excuse now. Everything you need is right here.
I don't know about everything, but we certainly tried to make a very wide variety of control types and load types to give people at least a better understanding of how to control LEDs successfully than maybe they had before. And that's our goal at LEDucation, is really to educate specifiers and others in the lighting community.
All right, very good. Well, thank you, Max.
Thank you,
I appreciate
Randy.
your time.